Hi guys, this is Saurabh, or in this video I'm going to show you how to redirect one page to another page in WordPress, right? So here you will see the option of page destination here, and here is one adventurous place, right? So I'm going to redirect this page, destination page to adventure, right? So how to do this? That's very simple. We are going to use here one plugin, right? So here is my plugin option in my website, and now click on here, add new plugin like this, and need some seconds to download. Okay, and here you need to type here redirection, redirection. Okay, and search for it, and you will see here the option of redirection plugin, that one, and install this plugin. Click on install button, and sometimes we need to redirect some not found page to our new pages, right? So that's time we use this type of thing like redirection, right? And now we are going to activate this plugin here, and go to the tool option, and you will see option of appearance. There is option of tool redirection, right? And click on redirection option, and now I have to select one page, that one. If I want to redirect adventures play to destination page, someone click on adventures place, so he will be redirect to our destination page, right? So what should I have to do? Simple. We need to first click on start setup right here, and continue setup, and wait some seconds to testing it. Okay, good. Finish setup, and 50%, and this one is 100%, right? Finished. Click on finish button, and here you will see right here is two options: source URL. So just paste here adventure, and if someone call adventurous page, so here he will redirect to our uh, destination page. This one, right? That's my destination page. So click on this right here, and click on add redirect. Okay, and redirect. Check this redirect. Check. Click on check redirect. This will check redirect, and this will right. So whenever I click on adventure, right, and wait some seconds, and let's take a little bit time to open website. Okay, and we are in destination page, and if someone want to click on destination, what we have done here, expected destination. Oh no, found destination. Okay, sorry for that. We have just okay. Right here, right, adventures and destination right here. So that's good. So whenever I click on the page of adventures like this, and I have to redirect destination, right? It will be redirect to our destination page. Wait some seconds, and this will open destination page like this, right? You can see here destination page, because when I click on my adventures page, like that one is adventures page, and I'm just click on again adventures page, and link will be open in destination page, right? Okay, slow down a little bit. Okay, that's fine. So our redirection is successful, right? So if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment, and please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.